Hello friends, I hope you are all doing good. Today is a great day for me, great day for you and great day for the entire nation. Sir, we understand that it is a great day for you because you are launching your course. Sir, we understand that it is a great day for us because now we will be able to learn from you. Sir, but how is it a great day for the entire nation, sir? Oh sir, how is it a great day for the entire nation? It is a great day for the entire nation because from today, that is 16th of January 2021, COVID vaccination has started countrywide. So now there are around 3,000 centers, I believe, around the country in India, wherein COVID vaccination has been started now. So let us pray that each and every person is free from this disease and each and every person gets vaccinated at a very sooner period of time. Now that being said, let us come to our topic of discussion, which is the online course which I will be making available to you all going forward. Now, talking about the online course, this online course which I will be making available to you will be available in 3 different formats. Okay. So let us understand the different format which you will get this course. 3 different formats. One is mobile application, mobile app mode. Then you will get it on Google Drive mode. And the third option in which you will get this online course is for in pen drive mode. Now, sir, what is this mobile application? There is a mobile application which is available on the Play Store. You can download that mobile application from the Play Store. Once you download that application, you will have to give the basic information about you, what is your name, your mobile number, install it, and you can then purchase the courses. Or the second option is Google Drive mode, wherein the course will be made available to you on Google Drive mode. You can install the data will be available on Google, all the videos will be uploaded on Google Drive. You can download all those videos and then you can watch it on your laptop, etc. So, sir, normally if I go for option number 1, should I go for option number 2 also? See, it is on you. Sir, I don't have a laptop. I am comfortable watching the videos on mobile, tablet, etc. In that case, I will prefer that students should go on this mobile application mode because it is convenient and it is available everywhere. Wherever you go, once you download the lectures, you can watch it anywhere. And with regard to Google Drive mode, you will have to specifically have a laptop to see these videos, etc. Now, sir, what about pen drive mode, sir? Now, pen drive modes are for those students who says, sir, no, sir, we don't have internet connectivity at all. We don't have internet connectivity at all. So, better we want the course in a pen drive mode, wherein the pen drive will be dispatched to you and you can watch the lectures in the pen drive, etc. Now, pen drive mode, the course which are made available to you on a pen drive mode, there will be a separate charge of ₹500 for this pen drive. Once I give this pen drive, this is pen drive will be permanently for you. You can use this pen drive. Once you clear your examination, you can use it for your personal purpose also. But there will be no extra charges for the Google Drive mode or mobile application mode. Now, let me first show you what is this mobile application, how should you install this mobile application, etc. and how is this particular course available to you in the mobile application mode. For this, I have already recorded a video which I will play and I will explain also. Okay, sir, you are teaching something to us. No. Now, so look at the screen. So you will have to go to the Play Store. Once you go to Play Store, you will have to type Dilip Raj Purohit classes. Click on that particular application, then install that application. The procedure is very simple. Once the installation is complete, the procedure is very simple. What is the procedure, sir? You will have to give your mobile number. Once you give your mobile number, an OTP will be sent to that mobile number. Okay, sir, once I enter the OTP, what is the next option, sir? Next, you will have to write your name, what is your name and email address, etc. Once you write, give all those details, the application will be ready to use. Let us see how it actually works. So, the downloading speed, depending upon what is speed of your internet, the downloading will happen. As of now, 75%, 83%, come on India, 91% and then 99% and 100% installation is happening. Once the mobile application is installed, let us open and check how it works. So this home page will look like this. So just give your mobile number first. I am giving my mobile number 9620022004, wherein I contact with students through this mobile number. then an OTP will be sent to this mobile number. OTP which is sent to this mobile number, I'll have to enter that OTP. OTP, come on, OTP 6496. Sir, you are not supposed to share the OTP to anyone, no sir. That is separate OTP. That OTP is with regard to your banking system, etc. Then you have an option to select whether you are a parent or a student. Select that you are a parent. Sir, select that you are a student. Then click continue. Then you can skip this particular introduction page. Write your name. Sir, can I upload my photo also? Sir, yes, you can upload your beautiful photo also if you want to upload your pic. And also, you should provide your email address. Once you provide all these details, you will be registered and the home page of application will open. Sir, how does this home page look like? This home page look like this particular screen, wherein you will get different details, etc. Now, for you as a student, there are different options available at the end: home, batch, stores, chat room, etc. Wherein home will give the brief summary, batch, what are the different batches which I am taking, online modes or etc. Store, already recorded batches will be made available to you. Then chat, I will create groups of all the students, etc., wherein you can interact with the with yourself. Now sir, for example, how should I purchase a particular course? We will take example of this chart material. Chart material is already made available on this online mode. So how will I purchase it, sir? Just click on that particular chart material. Then you have that buy option. Chart material online mobile view mode is made available to you at a very cheap cost of 100 rupees. Now, so once I buy, you will have to write your state, Karnataka. I stay in Karnataka. Then give the details of your banking. You can pay through net banking, UPI, that is Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, etc. Whatever different modes you want to pay, you can make the payment. So I am selecting Google Pay. So now this Google Pay account has been opened. You cannot screen record anything on Google Pay. Okay. So that particular thing is not visible to us. So as of now, the blank screen which you are seeing is Google Play actually. So all the Google Pay application, you cannot do anything over there. So once I make a payment, tuck, Google Pay tick will come. Yeah, payment has been made. Now they will process your payment. The payment gateway will process your payment. They say, okay, 100 rupees is debited from your account. It is my wife's account, so my wife should not come to know about this. No one should inform her. Sir, once I have purchased the course, you should go to the content option. Over there, content option, then you can see this course. Sir, I am not able to see anything on the screen. No, sir, you will not be able to see anything. Sir, why, sir, I am not able to see anything? Because this application is also designed in such a manner that no one will be able to take screenshot of the videos, no one will be able to record the videos, etc. Okay, so whatever is uploaded is very secured and a security has been made. How does this chart material look like? For example, C-Enter chart or all the other charts also I will make available. This is how the chart material look like. C-Enter students, only 21 pages, entire GST is complete. 40 marks syllabus, sir, 40 marks, yes, your 40 marks syllabus, only how many pages? 21 pages. In last November examination also, I got lots and lots of best wishes from the students telling, sir, your material helped me a lot, because of your material I could revise GST 5 times, etc. Whatever students were telling, and I believe that yes, you will be able to revise your entire syllabus in a very fast manner, because this particular material is designed in that way. Okay, you will understand about the material in our lectures when we will be taking. Sir, this is about the chart material which will be made available to you. Apart from that, we also have a textbook. Okay, this is GST textbook. Sir, textbook is also will also be made available to us. Yes, this textbook also will be made available to you all. Now, what we'll do is from tomorrow, that is from Sunday, 17th of January, I will be uploading every day a demo lecture for you to watch the demo lecture and decide whether you want to go for the course or not. The decision is completely yours. Okay, so that material also will be made available to you, etc., etc., etc. Sir, so different chapters. So the material, I'll tell you the designing about the material, etc. It is theme based. Every chapter has a particular color which we have used, etc. That I'll discuss about the material contents, etc. in the classroom. Okay, sir, we understood about your mobile application. Sir, we understood that the course will be available in the mobile application. We also saw your chart material. And we also like the chart material. Lot of students have purchased last year. And sir, we also saw your textbook material. Sir, please tell us the pricing of these courses, sir. Sir, for us as a student, the pricing is very important. So, by keeping the students' view in mind, the pricing has been made very reasonable. It is made very affordable. Each and every, my main goal is that every person in India who is pursuing CA, CS, CMA should get best quality education at an affordable price. Now, sir, give us the details of this course. Now, this is the course details. I will be taking up obviously GST for CA, GST, that is indirect taxes, not only GST, it covers both GST plus customs and FTP for final levels. So, for CA, CS and CMA students, I will be taking this particular course, sir. Okay, sir. CA Inter, CA Final, CS Final. As of now, CS Final only I will be taking, not CS Executive. CMA Inter plus CMA Final. Sir, okay, sir. These are the course we understood you will be taking, etc. What is the pricing? Now, as a launch offer, till 26th of, till which date, sir? Till blue. Okay. Till 26th of January 2021, whatever type of course you are purchasing, there is a 400 rupees discount, you can tell, or off. So, the launch price for CA Inter course, I will just give an example for CA Inter course, the same will be applicable for CA Final, CS Final, CMA Inter and CMA Final. As in launch, the launch price is 2,100 rupees. In this launch price, you will be getting what, sir? What? Okay, sir, I purchased this particular course for 2,100 rupees before 26th of January. What are the different things I am going to get? You are going to get point number 1, the entire lectures, all the different lectures which are there. Then point number 2, okay, sir, lectures, you will get the chart material mobile view, which you can view on your mobile. Say you are traveling, you want to revise GST, you can click on that particular chart material, you can revise it. You want to watch the videos when you are traveling, etc., you can watch the videos, etc. Then point number 3 is the textbook. The textbook just now you saw, no, the GST material. These 3 things will be made available to you for this particular price of 2,100 only. What are the different things? I'll repeat: the course, the chart material and textbook. Along with this, hard copy or physical copy of the chart material will be sent to you. The physical copy of the chart material will be sent to you. This physical copy will be made available only if you are sharing your address. Meaning, this is my mobile number, only if you are Allah, you should share your address and you should take this particular benefit of chart material. Free chart material, physical copy of this chart material, you will have to share your address to me on 9/6/2002-2004. Okay. Sir, what about the textbook, sir? Will the textbook also be given to us for free? No, the textbook will not be given for free. The chart material which will be given to you will be in color format only. Whatever you are seeing over here, no, the same type of chart material, whatever we will be using for our study purpose in our course, etc., the same chart material in the same format you will be getting. But this textbook which is there, no, that is charged separately. If you want the physical copy, online mode, it will be available. You have an option to watch this, to view this in your mobile phone or etc. Device, whichever device you are using for watching the videos. But the hard copy, if you want, that is chargeable separately. 300 rupees is for CA Inter student, 400 rupees is for CMA Inter student, and 500 rupees is for final students, all the different final students. Sir, what if I don't opt for this launch offer? I am not able to purchase this within launch offer. In such cases, the pricing for you, if you purchase it after launch offer, the pricing is 2,500 rupees, wherein same thing you will get the chart material, you will get the lectures, and you will get the textbook in online mode, in the mobile view mode, and you will get a physical copy of the chart material only. Sir, what is the pricing for CA final, for CS final, and for CMA final? For final students, the pricing launch offer is 4,100 rupees, and the normal pricing will be 4,500 rupees. 4,500 rupees. Again, what are you going to get? You are going to get the same thing. In the sense, you will get the lectures, you will get the textbook, you will get the chart material in the online mode, that is mobile view mode. Sir, what about CMA inter-student? CMA inter-student pricing is 3,100 rupees as an introductory launch offer, and then thereafter it will be 3,500 rupees. Please note, this launch offer is applicable only till 26th of January 2021, meaning from 27th onwards you will have to pay the normal price which is listed over here. This particular thing, no, this chart, etc., whatever I have prepared, I'll upload along with this video. I'll just attach this so you can download it if you want to see. And for any queries which you have, you can please feel free to contact me on 96-2002-2004. Please note, only WhatsApp is allowed. You can share your voice messages on WhatsApp. You can type your message, whatever you want to do, you can do on WhatsApp. I'll reply to you. Sir, you will reply to us immediately, sir. Normally, I will reply within 24 hours. Now, normally I reply immediately only, but don't expect, say, it happens that I may be busy with some work. For example, till yesterday I was busy with income tax filing. So, if any student would have messaged me, on immediate basis I would have not replied, but within 24 hours I will normally reply, okay, within 24 hours. I don't take time more than 24 hours. Within 24 hours you can ask, I mean, whom will you ask? You don't know anyone. For all the students I reply within 24 hours. Okay, sir. Sir, we understood about the course which you offer. We understood about the material, etc. Now, sir, from which day will this course be made available to us? For CA Inter students, the course will be made available from 21st of January 2021. 21st of January 2021, for CA Inter students, you can start using the mobile application. For those who have purchased, they can start using the mobile application for viewing the particular courses, for starting studying your lectures. For CMA Inter students, the course will be available from 1st of February 2021, that is 1221. Wow, sir, 1221, nice date, sir. Okay, from 1st of February for CMA Inter student, and for all the final students it will for CA, CS and CMA final students, the course will be available from 10th of February 2021. So those who are purchasing, the course will be made available to you from this particular date. Okay. Sir, why, sir, this particular date? Because from tomorrow onwards I will be uploading demo lectures. Okay, I will upload demo lectures, say 5 demo lectures I will upload, which will cover chapter number 1 completely, plus one particular part of chapter number 2, etc. So from tomorrow I will be uploading demo lectures. You can watch the demo lectures if you feel yes comfortable with those demo lectures. In the same manner I will be taking in class the actual classes also. And please, one more thing, the classes which I am going to take will be in English only. You are understanding my English? No, I will not use hi-fi English, okay, high-funda English. Even I don't know such kind of English language, normal English language. If you are able to understand what I am speaking now, the same manner, in the same manner the class will also be happening. Sir, you will not use Hindi, sir. Entire country, many teachers are using Hindi, sir. No, I will not be using Hindi. Sir, do you know how to speak Hindi? Yes, I know how to speak Hindi. You can ask me your doubts, okay, in Hindi. I will reply to you in Hindi. I can speak different languages. Which are the different languages? I can speak English, but I will be teaching only in English. I can speak Kannada because I stay born brought up in Bangalore, Karnataka. I can speak Kannada. I can speak Hindi and I can speak Marwadi. I understand Telugu. I understand Tamil. Fluency is not there in speaking. Okay, sir. Sir, Gujarati also you understand, sir? Yes, I understand other different languages. I understand. But if you ask me to reply to your queries in that language, I will not be able to do. But in class, we will be using different languages here and there. Time pass we will be doing. Okay, so this is about the course details. For CA Inter, 21st of January, it will be available. CMA Inter, 1st of February. CA, CS and CMA Inter, 10th of, 10th of February 2021. So I hope you enjoy learning with me. Happy learning to you all. God bless you. Enjoy, enjoy and enjoy. Thank you.